Hello class 4 student, welcome to the mathematics online classes. Here again with my topic is subtraction, that is not complete yet because few topics are left. So the today's topic, subtract and check. In my previous video I have explained how to subtract by two methods. The first one is with grouping and without grouping. We can also the other name are also without borrowing and with borrowing. So today let me explain you how to subtract first, and then check is also there. So for that I have to take one example. My question is subtract 1 2 3 4 from 5000, right? So first of all the method is same, the minute, this is the minute because this is a bigger number, this is a subtrahend. So first of all we have to write the place values. First tens, 100, 1000, leave one line for borrowing, and then write the number 5000 on the top, and then 1 2 3 4. This is a question of with borrowing method. So student, here let me start with the ones place. When I start from subtracting the ones place, I just observe that 0 and 4. So it is not easy to subtract 4 from 0, so we have to take help from tens. But again tens is also having 0, he is not able to help. Then he tens is moved to the 100 place to take the help. 100 said sorry, I am not able to help you, so let's go to take the help from 1000 place. So this time 1000 helps to first 100, then 100 helps to tens, and then tens helps to ones. For that we have to, what we have to do here, if all the numbers are 0 except 1, first of all we have to make, this is 4 because 1 is given to this place. Now it becomes 10, right? Now 10 is again given to this 1 here, so it becomes 9 here. Again this 10, give 1 to 10 to make it 100. So this is the way to help each other, so we can easily subtract the numbers. Now 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So student, this is minute, right? This is subtrahend, and this is the difference, right student? So student, how to, now this is subtraction is done. Now we have to do the check. How to do the check here? This we have a method student, because subtraction is a repeated addition. Subtraction is repeated addition. So here to check again we have to do the some additions question here. Here again, what is the method of check? How to do the check of the question? So student, for check what you have to do, you have to write on the first place, you have to write difference, right? Difference here, then subtrahend. First of all we have to write these two numbers. The difference is 3 7 6 6, and subtrahend is 1 2 3 4. So students, for checking, first of all you do the subtraction and then check. How to check students? Difference and subtrahend. Here we have to put the addition sign because subtraction is a repeated addition. Now we'll do the addition. Let me check is the answer is the minute or not. 6 plus 4 is 10, the 0 here, 1 carry on the next number. 3 plus 1 again 10, then carry on the next number. 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10, next carry on the number. The 3 plus 4 plus 5. Yes, the answer is here. So this is the minute. So in this way you can check your any answer, and this is all, sometimes it is given in the question form ki subtract and check, then you have to do both the parts. This is step 1 and this is step 2. You have to follow both the steps. If you are not doing this one, it means you have done the half question. Subtract and check, if it is given in the question, then you have to do both the methods. If it is not given, then you can do this check just for your just to check your answer, whether your answer is right or no. Okay student, now the next topic is after subtraction and check. The next one is properties of subtraction. Properties of subtractions, mostly few are same as properties of addition. Let me see what is the first. Okay student, now the first property of subtraction is when 0 is subtracted from a number, The difference is the number itself. This is same as we have discussed in property of addition. That is also same. When 0 is subtracted or added to any number, the difference is the number itself. So here I have taken two examples. The first one is 2359 minus 0. This is equals to the same number, the number itself. This is the number itself. If the number is a 5-digit number, then also the same rule is here. 11,000 minus 0, the answer is the number itself. Okay, student? Okay, student, now second property is when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. And predecessor means one step back. We are subtracting 1 from a number, so we get the predecessor. So if 1 is subtracted from a number, no need to subtract in the rough corner. You can directly write the predecessor of the bigger number. So 38,478 minus 1. So one step back means 78 is converted to 77. 2345 minus 1 means 2344. We are just writing the predecessor. If you are not able to do the directly write the predecessor, then you can do the calculation in rough corner also. But this is the property. This is the short ways to calculate the. These properties. Why we are discussing these properties? Because they are the time saving. If you are applying these properties in the questions, your solution takes less time as compared to if you are doing the full calculations. Okay, students. The third property is when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Same number is subtracted from same number, so the answer is 0. So let's take 1 minus 1 is 0, 10 minus 10 is 0, 100 minus 100 is 0. You can take a bigger number also. Let's take the example for this property. Suppose your number is 2156 minus 2156. The answer is 0. So in this case, if the question is given like this, these type of properties basically they are come in the form of fill in the blanks or MCQs questions. So that's why I have explained all these properties just to take less time to do the calculations. Orally you can do the calculations with the help of these properties. So there are three properties. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Second is when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. And the third one is when number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. I hope all the three properties are clear to you. Now student, this word problem is the last topic of this chapter, subtraction. Word problem you have already done in class 3 also, and in previous chapter addition also you have done the word problem. The main thing is in this word problem, first you have to read the word problem and you have to find out which is the minute and difference. First of all, the main thing is first find out the minute and difference and then do the calculations. And statement is also very important, how to make the statements and what the question is asking about. So let's read the question first. Raja bought a television set for rupees 38,450. The cost of television is given in the question. He gave rupees 40,000 to the shopkeeper. Okay, shopkeeper, how much money he has given to the shopkeeper? 40,000. So how much money will he get back? Get back means 40,000 is given and the cost of television is 38,450. So how much money is returned by the shopkeeper to Raja? It means we have to subtract the number, and in this case students, I have observed the bigger number, always the bigger number is minute and this is a smaller number, this is subtrahend, right? And this is minute. This is very important to understand which is minute and which is subtrahend here. So first of all, what we have to do, again just write this like way. First of all, you have to write the place values and then write the statement also here. So we can start with always start with the minute. So minute is 40,000. What is the statement for minute? So he gave rupees 40,000 to the shopkeeper. So we can write like this, the money given to shopkeeper. Okay, money given to shopkeeper. That is rupees 40,000. Write each digit under each place. Next one is Raja bought the cost of television. So the cost, second line is cost of the television set. Television set is rupees 38,450. Now we have to put leave one line and put the minus sign here. Now we have to again start the subtraction. Again we can see that 0 minus 0, as we have already done the property, the same number is subtracted from same number, the answer is 0. So here the answer is 0. Now just come to the tens place. Here 0 and 5, so 0 is not able to subtract 5, so it take help from 100 said, so I am again sorry, I am not able to help you. Just let's take the help from 1000 said, sorry, I also have 0, I am not helping you out. So let's move to the 10,000 place. Now 10,000 is having 4, so he start helping first the 10,000. He given 1 to this number, now it becomes 3 here. Now this is 10, now it is the bigger number now. Now he helps to 100, now it becomes 9. Now 10, 100 places 10, again it help out to 10 by giving 1 tens. Now it is 9, now it becomes 10 here, right? So let's start subtracting the numbers. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 1 is, so 9 minus 8 is 1, and here same number is subtracted from same numbers, again the answer is 0. And this is very important, put the rupees sign, this is very important. And now what is the statement for A? Money get back, or you can write, so money returned by shopkeeper, money returned by shopkeeper to Raja is rupees 1550. So this is your answer. I hope you understand how to do the word problem sums with the help of statements. First you have to write the statements, put the units which are given in the question, whether rupees, kg, liter, meter. Sometimes nothing is given, then you can do the calculation in the right way. Okay student, now that's all for the today's session. Now word problems are discussed with you, properties are discussed with you. Thank you students, and keep watching my videos. Start doing the questions with the help of your parents. If any doubt is there, then I am always with you. Thank you students, keep watching my videos on regular basis. Stay home.